to the Trenton watch. A little bit more work has to be done on it, namely the pallet fork. See if I can get this in focus. So apart from having to reset the pallet jewel back into the fork, the pivot was broken, and this is the kind of pivot that actually screws in. So if I can get a little bit closer, you can see that the pivot is broken on the top side. I tried to actually repivot it to drill it out and redo the pivot. Let me just show you real quick if I can. No, it's not going to work, sorry. Anyway, so I tried to drill out this end and repivot it. Unfortunately, just as I was finishing up the depth of the hole that I wanted, the carbide drill snapped inside, and it's pretty much impossible to get out unless I have an EDM machine. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make a new pivot to these specifications, and I have an assortment of threading plates, and we will be using this one right here, and we will be using the number 7 is what that corresponds to. Now these are some very old French and Swiss threading plates that I've had for years and years and years. When I was a jeweler back in the day, I picked these up for whatever reason. I was making body piercing jewelry at the time, and I'm really glad I have these threading plates, because they are for some of the very early Swiss made watches and some of the threads which are impossible to find. So I'm really glad I have those. They go down to 0.2 of a millimeter, 0.24, or number 24. So they're tiny, 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 which is awesome. So glad I have them. But we will be using this one today. So let me get to it, and I'll add to this video later. Thanks. Bye.